Bantamweight Championship. Sino ba ang talagang mas magaling sa kanila? Certainly would cause some concussion.
Protect yourself at all times. Touch gloves. Good luck.
A lover boy. At si James Pagaling, ang tawag naman sa kanya, Dynamite! Philippine Youth Bantamweight Championship. They're 9-0 ang record niya with 6 knockouts. This guy is a knockout, 5 knockouts. Si Pagaling po, 19. Action! Oh, first time that he's fighting 2020. 4 times lumaban ng 2020. Pagaling. Very active performer, just like you see him with a red-colored gloves. At si wearing the black or blue. Gonna be a good one. Jover, hands held up high. Maraming dalang pala si Jover dito. Kapitan Kenneth Jover. Oho, ito na. A lot of punishment. That is all. Umatake agad si Jover. Holding on. Here comes Jover. He's rallying. He's looking for an early knockout. Oho! Another trading the defense of Pagaling. Hands held high by Kenneth Jover, and then uppercut coming from Pagaling. Want to be trapped in a corner. He has to fight through the crowd noise.
Back! Back! Time!
Standing up. I thought that first round, he put Pagaling on the defensive, kagad. Kenneth Jover, a scoring blow, no doubt about it. Cannot. And if he has pressure, pasukin niya si Jover. Silence the crowd. That right jab connecting. And that's a stick. You see the contrasting styles. The left hand, Jover. Left hand. Another left coming from Jover. Eh yung kanan na jab ni Jover is a very... Tapos meron pa siyang kaliwa, Kenneth Jover, but he fights out of that right jab. He's found the distance. That right cross was Kenneth Jover. And then lead punch ni Kenneth Jover. Gagaling yung mga suntok ni Jover. Kanan ba o kaliwa? From against the ropes. Pagaling now. Now he's putting the pressure on Jover. Pagaling's got to go to the body. He's got to slow down Jover. Jover moving away. Pagaling. The right-handed boxer.
Tasuntok, tasuntok.
Wala naman damage.
Yeah, box.
Chineka agad ni Pocosol. Oho! The hand connected there by Jover. Oh, another right hand connected by Jover.
10 seconds, Tiger time!
Yan ang Jover. His handiwork. The referee Pocosol saying, let's go, let's get it on. Jover. Let's go, Caviteño. Si Loverboy is from General Trias, Cavite. At si Pagaling kita yung dynamite exploding in this fight. Oh, connection there by Pagaling. A right hand. And now he's on the attack. A right hand that went through the defense in Jover. And now he's on the attack. Legion. Pagaling has to be aggressive now. He's got to gain some ground to find his range. I think he might have hurt Jover. That was a big right hand that Pagaling has to be aggressive now. He lost the first. Jover is fighting defensively. Ricky Llover as active, but it looks like he's regained. Looks like nakarecover na si Llover. A little bit more para makuha niya itong round. He's in distance, and Pagaling he's waiting too long for the timing. Hindi siya sumusuntok. And then he'll counter. But at this point, he's...
Last 10 seconds. Paindan yan.
And that's the end of the round. Round number 3 being attended to by Joel Escol, ang kanyang cornerman.
Palagay ko makikita natin yung suntok ni Yun. Yung suntok ni Pagali.
Box!
Might have gone to Pagaling on the strength of that one big to the face of Llover. Llover now moving around. Palagay ko nakatikim na din si Llover. He's fighting a little more cautiously in this round. Pagaling to gain confidence. The right jab that was challenged.
Box!
That Llover is now leading off with the left hand instead of the right jab to apply pressure and be more aggressive. He's doing that. Pagaling, itong sinasabi natin that he should... Left hand coming from Llover of the pro Llover. Oh! Groggy si Pagaling. He might have lost his footing a little bit off balance also. Na si James Pagaling. But he might have just been...
Box! Box!
Oh, what a shot! Left hand, and Pagaling is down, and he's gone.
Hard from the punch that ended the fight. And Kenneth Llover, in jubilation,
James Pagaling on a 4th round knockout to win the vacant Games and Amusements Board Philippine Youth Bantamweight Championship.